Wow, after 3 months of pretty much being at a dead standstill, it has been a madness, all right? From the builder going into liquidation to us not being able to find drainage that will be able to actually fulfill 5 bathrooms. Everything has gone wrong. But today marks a special day. We're about to turn things around. So, quick recap. We've owned this place for over 2 years, all right? We actually got a contractor because I felt like it was the right thing to do. You know, don't manage a project of this size on your own. So we got not any contractor, a trusted contractor recommended by our architect to do the works over 12 months ago. And sadly, 9 months later, they had to give us the keys back and we have had to take over. So last time we was here, you noticed there was no roof, all right? A lot of the new walls and extension stuff was still needing to be finished, but there's so much that has changed now. Let me give you a tour. So this is your new entrance. Absolutely love it. The entrance used to be behind you, but we decided to move it along and make it really grand so that when you enter the property, you're just gonna have a big hall, a foyer where we're gonna have storage. We're gonna have a nice, a welcome table and mirror, some wall lights, just to give that flavor of grand. Now, keep in mind, behind me used to be the kitchen, right? But you're gonna come here and actually, I'm gonna show you the kitchen in a minute. To the right-hand side, you're gonna have a snug lounge. Behind you, we're gonna have utility. And then in this space, we're actually gonna have a downstairs WC and a beautiful office. And this wall here is just going to be a big panel of glass with the crystal effect. So you're going to be able to chill here, look out, work. In fact, you could even make this into a downstairs gym. And here we have it. This is what it's all about. So all this space is completely brand new. This is our huge rear extension. Now it's a single story, but it is vaulted, which creates this amazing sense of height. And our architect, okay, they was being a bit bougie. They was like, do you know what? We need as much light in here as possible. So actually we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skylights in here, which I remember when I first had a look at it, I was like, is that a bit overkill? But no, it lets so much light in. And the best thing about it is keep in mind that these 3 panels into the garden are currently covered, but once the big panels of glass go in each, this is going to look absolutely epic. So layout here, behind you, you're going to have a lounge area. Right here, you're going to have an amazing fireplace with double-sided TV. Below these 4 windows, we're going to have dining table, and then if you follow me, over here is going to be your kitchen sort of diner area. Big island right here, and you can start to see this is feeling a little bit like a £1 million house, right? Now I know what you're thinking. Staircase used to be behind that wall, so where the hell is it going now? Well, to free up all that time there, the staircase is actually going to go up here and round into the now double story extension. So this used to be single story. Crack on, man. Look at those windows, looking nice, man. Got them crystal effects. So basically, that used to be single story. It's now double story, but check this out. I love this. So if you imagine your kitchen cabinets are going to be going round here, and behind me is going to be a secret doorway into what was the koshas. Let's check it out. Into the hidden doorway and a whole new world. So here's when we're really starting to add value. So if you actually remember, this used to be the entrance into the coach house. We've now bricked it up because we want to maximize all this space. So this is going to be our 5th bedroom. And then over here, we've got a whole additional granny flat. Got relatives coming over, want to hang out, friends want to stay over. Yeah, well, this is cool because you're going to have a lounge, diner, and kitchenette in here, plus a beautiful bathroom round the corner and their own garden patio. I like that. Entrance to the granny flat, absolutely amazing. We're going to have a plant wall behind me. And then where we've opened this all out, check this space out now. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're going to have a big bath here. Gonna have a vanity unit there, toilet there, shower there, and then the unvented cylinder plant room is going to be located in that corner. But have a look at this new beautiful space here. It's absolutely gorgeous. We love it. Lucy's going to show you what we've done upstairs.
Okie dokie. So this is where you would be coming up the stairs. Then as we go to this part of the house, this is all brand new. So this didn't exist before. That was the old brick from the other side of the house. This is going to be the main bathroom. So in here, we're going to have double sinks. We're going to have a nice bath, a big shower, toilet, huge mirror. Then as we come into this part of the house, which is brand new, this is going to be the master bedroom. So the bed's going to be around here between these two big Velux windows. Got a nice Juliet balcony there. And then behind us, we're going to have two entrances. So this one here is going to be a nice dressing room, his and hers, with a nice window here. And then as we come back through the bedroom and into this room here, that's going to be, again, double sink, maybe a single sink, we're not sure yet. See what we can fit into the space, an ensuite for this master bedroom. Then as we come back out of this room and past the main bathroom, we come into the old original part of the house. We've had all these beams sandblasted and brought them back to their original look, so they look amazing. In here we've divided it into 3 different bedrooms. So this is going to be bedroom 1. I'm going to do something really cool in this room. So through here I'm going to create a laundry chute. Now it's just going to be hidden behind a wardrobe or something, some sort of storage, but I'm going to have all the laundry go straight downstairs into the utility room, which I'm very excited for. Then this is going to be a corridor, so we'll be able to see down into these communal space downstairs with the kitchen, dining room and the little snug. So that's going to have all the light coming through and we'll be able to look down and chat. Here's going to be another good sized bedroom. I'm not sure yet how we're going to do the stud walls in terms of keeping the A-frames, but we'll figure that out when we do the studding next week. So this room may have the A-frame in, or that room might, we've yet to be decided. Then going into this part here, this is going to be like a guest room, but it's going to have a nice ensuite. So this is going to be the ensuite here. We would enter the room there and then come into the space like that. Ensuite will be into that bit here. Bed will probably be, I think in all the rooms, bed will go on the back wall and we'll just follow that suite all the way through. And then, excitingly, all the windows are getting put in today. So that's kind of how that's going to look. Is there anything else I need to say?
We're getting there. We're getting there.
Oh, I thought you were doing like you needed a minute.
No, that was. I was bouncing off you.
Sorry, I thought you were going
so
again.
So things are definitely moving in the right direction over the next couple of weeks. Things are going to move on drastically. So stay tuned.
And don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe.